Oh, there we got all the ingredients.
Or we'll all get food
We're
poisoning.
good?
No, we're not.
Righto. Here we are. We've just got this awesome idea. We've had a couple of tins. We're going to make a damper. So, I don't know what we're doing, so the boys are going to roll through. What are we doing?
Righto. So we're going to get our flour first. We put in about that much. Don't quote me on it.
Quite precisely that much.
Precisely that much.
A Gordon Ramsay cup.
A Gordon Ramsay cup.
Make a little hole in the middle. I'm going to add a little bit of beer. We're going to need some water too.
Yeah, bit of beer.
One for me.
One for the damper.
One for the damper. One for the damper.
Yeah, well, that's the way.
And then we'll get some water. And Blakey shows up with it.
Yeah. Just roll the clock.
Yeah, mate. Getting hot in
Time
the
lapse,
kitchen.
mate. Time lapse.
Hey, Coda. What do you reckon? You want a bit?
You reckon, Kurt? Up.
You might get it clean up. You might be on washing duties.
Add the water in. So you only add a little bit in at a time. And start mixing it all together.
It's all over it.
And if it's super wet, add some more flour. So one of you boys, add some more flour in. Yep. Actually, add heaps more flour in, so that's going to be a little damper. Add some more water in. Just a little bit of, water. Yep. A little bit more water. So you want to get that consistency where it all sticks together, just like a pizza dough or a bread dough. So it's slowly getting there. I'm going to need like a chopping plate so I can like roll it and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, something I can...
We've got some cheese for you guys too. Got some cheese.
Okay.
Add some cheese in there.
So you got the rest of the ingredients, guys.
Yeah,
What
mate.
about it? Are you gonna put that in?
Throw it in.
Yeah, I'll throw that in there and then I'll cut this bit up quickly.
You do us up the cheese.
I
I should have brought the shredded cheese. I do apologise, no shredded cheese.
Do you want to, Heaven, you want to start passing me some chorizo? Start adding it in.
On the whole lot. We just want to go bit by bit.
Just
Yeah,
give it a
maybe
handful.
just grab that plate and then you can roll it on that. He's getting it firm. Alright, maybe now say that you're adding in your ingredients.
Right, so I've put the chorizo in. We're going to add some halloumi and we've got some cheese as well. So we're just going to push it all into the damper. I don't think we're going to use all of that chorizo and all that.
Let's go, we can snack.
So just put it in, fold it over, do it again so it gets all through the damper. That's probably enough.
Enough cheese and everything. Got enough ingredients?
Yeah, it's probably too much.
No worries.
Get it on a plate. What you want to do is you want to knead it, pretty much get all the air out of it. We do have some ingredients coming out, but it's a damper. We're camping. It doesn't have to be specky. That's pretty much the consistency you want. Get all the leftovers, throw it in as well.
that's looking unreal.
Mate, that is
How good is that?
a Ranger Ranger clothing damper.
Mate, that is going to taste sensational.
Mate, that is a damper o'clock.
How good is this? Damper o'clock Rover Park.
That's it. So if we just throw it in, I'm just going to throw it straight on the trivet. Hopefully it doesn't stick on it. Now you just clean your hands. Get some hot coals. The boys are working on the coals. We'll throw some coals on the bottom and the top. Usually about 15 to 20 minutes. That usually gets it nice and cooked. And that's a damper, boys.
Alright.
Fuck the whole video up.
You want them out?
Get some coals out.
Wherever we're putting it.
Yeah, that spot.
I want to put the lid on this before I put coals through it. We'll be fucking chewing our way through. Chewing our way through coals. Like that bloody one I had at Morton Island.
Get some nice hot coals. Whew. They're nice and hot. Throw some on
How
the
much
top.
on the top, mate?
Just a little bit. Beautiful.
So to change them out.
And that's it.
How good is this fibre?
How good is camping in? Righto guys, so it's going to be cooking for a while. We're actually going to check it. Oh, that's not how you lift it. I'm going to make sure we don't get any action in the damper. So it's still got a little bit longer to go. So we'll keep it cooking and have some more beers.
You want to change them coals out or are they right?
That should be right.
Stick it with your
I pick up with my hands.
Oh, I like it when you get hands on.
Oh!
You crack it open.
Yeah, and watch it all spill out.
It's very hot.
Don't be shy.
Get your hands right in there. Really feel what you're doing.
I'm gonna need a plate.
Hey, the one that's a good one.
What do you reckon, boss?
I reckon just a little bit more.
A bit more? I reckon it's a bit softer.
Yeah.
Let's put it on for a bit more there.
Put it on for a bit more. Righto guys, so the damper's done. We've got the chorizo, halloumi, beer, damper. Have a look at that. How nice does that look?
That is not bad, I will say.
That is good. Who wants first bite?
Yeah, I'll have a go.
She's probably going to be hot.
Give it a run. Ooh. See what it reckons. That's good, eh? It's good with the extras. Definitely makes it.
Not bad.
Good size.
I was waiting for that thinking, and then he went not bad. I'm like, if you don't say good size right now.